to be on the fold, you see? It's going to be on the fold. But this is the shape. You see, it's like an arrow, it's going in that direction. The arrow tends towards the armhole. See? If you look at it, it's
so that goes towards that.
Yes, this goes towards the armhole always. Because the top bishop is slightly slanted to the front, it's slanting down towards the center front. So I'm going to place my interface in. You fuse it. And you stitch half an inch seam allowance on both sides. There should be a notch here. 1/4 of an inch seam allowance on both sides.
That's on the edge.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do it by hand.
Wait, 1/4?
Yes.
Sorry.
Why?
Close and personal.
What?
I said sorry, I'm like
It's okay.
right here. Good.
That's on the
Press. You turn it inside out. Now you have your besom. You close the besom at the bottom.
Just within the seam allowance?
Yes. The seam allowance is 1/4 of an inch, so you have to close it not more than 1/8 of an inch. This is my body. Place the besom. See?
Upside down.
So you have the 4 corners marked on your
you
fabric?
No, I didn't mark it because this is going to be like this at the top. This is just to tell you my points. So if you look at his besom on the pocket, on his front, no, his pattern, it's measured like, it depends on which size you have, but you can go like 9 inches from high point shoulder down and 9 inches on this other side from the same high point shoulder. That makes it slant because it slants in this way and this one is going down straight. It makes it slant a little bit. Then you stitch. So you stitch this from edge to edge.
At 1/4 inch, right?
Yes. Beautiful. You back stitch. Here you have to be very, very careful when you are back stitching.
Why?
You have to like exactly match from the edge of the fabric.
You don't want to back stitch and you go into your shell fabric.
Oh, I see.
And you don't want to fall too short of the besom.
That's right.
So you have to be very careful to be on point. You want to see here as well. See, you actually have to be on point because it's very delicate at this. So I'm going to, if you look at your besom, you have, this is the pocket bag, but it's cut in the self. You cut one line in. If you have a lighter fabric, you can cut both of them in shell, in the cell fabric. It's not equal at the sides. The shorter side always go towards the center front. The longer side goes towards the armhole, based on the shape. So I'm going to place this. This is my center front. And I'm not going to stitch. I'm not going to stitch. I'm not going to stitch at this edge. I come in like 1/4 of an inch. You have a pen?
Wait, don't you gotta flip that up?
Flip one up.
That's after, right?
That's it.
Wait, just wait for me. Yes. You see here? I'm not going to stitch on this guy along this line. No. You always come in 1/4 of an inch. For those in the tailoring class, they know that you come in 1/4 of an inch from here to here. You don't stitch from here to here. You don't want this line and this line equal.